Hi, I'm Caroline Gutierrez. I'm 29 years old. I'm from Peru. Nice to meet you, guys. What are your names? Hi, Caroline. My name is Gloria Sanchez. I'm 17 years old. I'm from Peru. Nice to
Hi,
meet you.
hi girls, I am Samantha Garcia. I am 17 years old. It's a pleasure to meet you all. Girl, what is your favorite?
I love pizza. And you, Claudia?
I am a big fan of sushi. Samantha, what about you? I love ceviche. What do you guys like to eat?
I like drink oranges.
I prefer beer. What about you, Samantha? I prefer cola. What do you do in your free time, Carola?
I love playing and watching movies with my daughter. And you, Claudia?
I love spending the time with my boyfriend. And what about you, Samantha? I like listening to music.
That's so fun. How was the weather yesterday?
It was very sunny and warm.
Well, I have to go. Nice to meet you. Bye.